So let's start our next drawing. Remember, we are drawing samples from document drawings number 5. So we already finished the first one. Now it's turn to the second one. As you can see, it's like round detail. I want to draw this file to another document, AutoCAD document, because the dimensions and sizes are quite different. So that's why let's open new document, and then let's build the bigger dimension. As you can see, the bigger dimension, the diameter is here 250 millimeters. Let's build this circle. Diameter is 250 millimeters, so radius will be 125. So let's put this stuff here, and then we need to put our sample here to make it very comfortable. So documents. So we will just drop the document, enter, starting point of our document, this, done. The quality of our sample is not so good, so if you want to use this document, just use this document. I will try to use this sample as much as I can. So let's start build. As you know, I already draw the bigger circle. I will draw this, the circle next one. The diameter is 200 millimeters, and then as you can see, the another one is 150 millimeters. Let's build another two bigger circles. I think you all know how to use snap tool. I already choose the center of this. Now diameter is like 200, so radius will be 100. Done. Another one is 75 millimeters to radius. Done. Let's change the type of this circle line to quick properties. I don't know how to choose. Let it do later. So what will we do? We will build this side first, and then we just copy it in 4 times, so it will be easier. So as you can see, the radius of this like imaginary circle is like 10 millimeters, so diameter will be 20 millimeters. So I will use one hint, so I will do this now. I hope you will understand what did I first of all, let's put center mark here. Done. Let's try to change. Now I can change. As you can see, I changed the type of line in this second circle. So I want to build 2 circles, how can I say, auxiliary circles, helpful circles, I think, which is bigger than 10 millimeters from this circle, and then smaller than 10 millimeters from this. Let's build it. As you can see, the radius was of this circle was 100 millimeters, so I will build the radius will be 110 millimeters, and second one 90 millimeters. Done. And then as you can see, the center of these two small circles located far from each other to 60 millimeters. Let's mention these centers. In this case, what I wanted to do, I will use this tool again, construction line. So I want to build this construction line far from the center of this big circle to right side 30 millimeters and left side 30 millimeters again. So I want to use this option, temporary track point, the right side 30 millimeters, done. So we need to build it in vertical side, done. Oh, sorry, let's do it again. Temporary track point, right side 30 millimeters, vertical, done. Now you can just copy it to left side by using mirror tool. If you want to build again, you can build another one to left side, but I already finished. So now we know the center of these two small circles. Let's build them. We know the radius is 10 millimeters. If we build 10 millimeters radius like this, let's build the second one again, done. As you can see, we almost finished our trick. Now what I wanted to do is, using trim tool, I will delete extra lines. In this case, be careful to delete extra lines. First of all, I recommend delete these construction lines first. We don't need them. So now trim tool again, but be careful trimming it. Zoom it a little bit bigger. Now you can see that these small extra lines again. So we need to trim this side, these extra circles, big circles, done. As you can see, check it out first. So as you can see, it's clear. Now we can select all parts of this figure like this. It has like 4 parts, and then we will use array tool, polar array, done. We will choose the center of copying, choose. As you can see, it's already created 6 items, but we need 4 items. So in this case, we need to put here in items 4, number 4, and just press enter, done. We need to press escape, done. Now what we need to do is build this shape in the center, this shape. The fundament of this shape is, as you can see, is circle, but we need to put these parts of this shape by using circle tool again. As you can see, there is the dimension of this semicircle, can I say semicircle, this line maybe. So as you can see, we know the center of this circle. How? You know, there is like extra helpful line here, which is decorated with center line. We will build it now, but we don't know the dimension of this, size of this circle. Let's imagine that the circle is connected in this helpful circle, in big circle. What I want to do is, like, I will do it, I think you will understand. So first of all, let's build these 4 lines. First of all, let's build one. First of all, we need to build a line. Let's turn off the ortho mode. So first of all, we need to mention the angle of our line. I will use tab. So the angle is 45 degrees, done. Don't press enter, just press shift and tab, or tab. We can go to the size of our line. As you can see, the angle is not changing, just changing the size of our, let's put like this, it's not extra. Done. Finish the function, press our line, just we will change the type of line like this, as you can see. Now I will build circle which is center of this, located here, connection of this line. So I will finish it in this place. Done. As you can see, the radius of the circle will be 25 millimeters. Okay, done. So now what I want to do is, using trim tool again, we will delete extra lines. Done. One part of our this shape is finished. So as you know, we can just copy them to 4 times. You can use array tool, you can do mirror tool. If you want, you can just build them in 4 times. So I want to use mirror tool. I will just select necessary lines, this line and this one, and then I will use mirror tool. I should select 2 points. Done. Enter. So what I want to do now is, I will select these items again, and then I will mirror it in second time to downside of our figure. So now we just need to, using trim tool, delete these extra lines. So done. I see exactly same thing. So let's select our center lines and just change the color of them to make it beautiful, nice. So here is, we need to do is like only decoration our sample, our drawing, by putting them dimensions. So this assignment is for you guys. Thank you for attention.